press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Look Like a Star. Today I have decided to replicate Sonam Kapoor's this beautiful deep wine makeup look. I am a huge Sonam Kapoor fan when it comes to her fashion, her makeup, her hairstyle, so I cannot wait to start this video. So let's get right into it. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. Also, because you love our content so much, we have a surprise for you. Join the MyGlamm Insider program and win 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.